Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to adjust the door height of your refrigerator. Even if your fridge is level, there are still several reasons why you might need to make an adjustment. In side-by-side models, you might notice that one of the doors is higher than the other. In other cases, the door might not be closing properly or is leaving a gap. Depending on the model, there might be an adjustment screw at the bottom of the door. In other cases, an extra washer can be added as a spacer. Let's take a closer look. To begin, you might need a hex wrench, a bubble level, and a socket set. First, remove the kick plate grill. Beside the adjustment screw, there might be a set screw that helps keep the height locked in place. Using a hex wrench, remove the set screw. Now use the wrench to turn the adjustment screw. Looking down from your point of view, turn the screw counterclockwise to raise the door. To lower the door, turn the screw clockwise. Check the height and continue to adjust the screw until the door is level. Keep in mind you'll only be able to raise the door 6 millimeters or 1/4 of an inch total. Some models will not have an adjustment screw. In this case, you can raise the door by inserting an extra door washer. You can learn how to remove and access the door in the video linked below. Now replace the set screw to lock the height into place. To finish up, simply replace the kick plate grill. Now, if the doors are not closing properly, then it might be an issue with the gasket, and you can learn more in the video linked below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.